Welcome to Tips and Tricks new episode from Africell. We're going to see how to prevent data loss and restore information if needed using some backup techniques. So let's get started. Cloud backup is very common. You can use Google Drive for Android and iCloud for iOS devices to back up contacts, photos, calendar, and apps. Third-party apps are available for more backup options. Local backup can be an option. You can use external hard drives, USB sticks, and SD cards to manually back up your data. Computer backup can be an option too. Simply connect your phone using dedicated USB cables and transfer your files. Some apps have built-in backup features like WhatsApp. You can use Google Drive to back up chats and content. Eternal videos and photos can be backed up using Google Drive too. You can automate your backup routine by using third-party apps and also make sure your backups are encrypted to protect sensitive data. By following these tips and tricks, you can ensure that your mobile data is backed up efficiently and securely, minimizing the risk of data loss. See you in next episode.